Okay, so I don't know if it's like this in all the countries in Central America, but right now I'm flying from Panama to Costa Rica, and they made me check my skateboard. And the last time this happened, I lost my bag and my skateboard, so yeah, wish me luck. Hola. 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 Gracias.
Porque así no me está cerrando para poner las cosas de lado acá.
This is Panama City?
Perdón?
From Panama City?
Panama, yes.
Yeah? That's it?
Yeah.
That's it? Nah.
Wait, how many bags? How many?
That's everything?
Yes. Number one.
Okay. I think I just found it. Alright guys, just landed here, and right now I'm looking for a viewer of the channel. Actually, he's picking me up, he's giving me a tour of Costa Rica. So his name's Mike, and yeah, just gotta find him. Over here? Aquí? Gracias. No, you speak English?
No, poquito. No.
Okay, same.
So San Jose?
Okay. No.
Where you from?
New York. Nueva York.
Taxi, mejor.
Next time. I think we spotted Mike. I think that's him right there. Yo! Yo! What's up? How's it going?
Good, man, you?
Good, nice to meet you. What's going on?
I knew it was you with the hair. Just flowing in the wind.
Nice. What up? How's it going?
Hi.
This is Rick.
I'm Chad, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Hi, nice to
Go
meet you, fellas.
Chad, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
How's it going?
You got sunburned, huh?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got some good.
In between like 12 and 3.
Yeah.
So fucking hot.
I got some good sunburns for sure. So first stop, pick up a puppy.
Yeah, King Corso.
Okay.
It was close to red. Here, I'll pop it for you.
I have some training as a mechanic in the past.
Oh,
Nice.
perfect. See, everything is pretty good, dude. Like, the universe is always working in your favor.
I'll give you some time.
Yeah, it's hot as fuck. It's like, it's bubbling.
It's literally boiling.
Yeah. Don't get too close. It blows up, it's for sure.
Uy, no, pero riquísimo.
What's his name? Do you have a name for him yet?
Jotita.
Nice to meet you. Hello. Hey guys. Hello. Oh. Sure. Oh my goodness.
Hey, buddy. Hey, dude.
He tackled me. Oh my god. That thing is big.
Yeah. Hey, dude.
He's massive.
Dude, they're so big.
That's the puppy we're taking.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Good luck.
Bye.
It's cool to see that you like just use an iPhone. I thought like
Oh no, yeah, the
it's
whole
like,
thing.
Yeah, you do like a really good job, dude. This is great.
Really?
I'm
Thank
like,
you.
I'm like, man, it's all done on an iPhone. What
Yeah,
the fuck?
yeah.
It's not like on my iPhone. I'm like,
Everyone's usually pretty shocked. Yeah, I had 2 DWIs,
oh wow, yeah, that'll.
and then I was $10,000 in debt, and then I got sober, and I was like, I need something to do, like to focus on during this
Fuck
time
yeah.
period. So I never had social media, cell phone, or like anything like that.
Yeah,
I
that's
leased
dope.
an iPhone. I couldn't even afford it. I was like so broke, and I leased an iPhone and just kept making videos.
That's so dope.
Have you been to this park before?
Yeah, I've been like 6 times. The last time I came, I tried ollieing over the bar, and I don't know what I fucked up, but something got fucked up. It was my knee, meniscus or something. But I never go to get anything checked out here because I don't know.
Yeah.
Every time you look, they're like, yeah, you know, it'll heal by itself. Okay.
First time.
First time?
Yeah, I seen this mark.
Nice. Alright guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video. Tomorrow we're going to be touring around Costa Rica, hitting a bunch of parks, so I'm going to rest up now. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.